Hi everyone. So today we are going to see how we can generate a PDF file in a PHP application. Also we will see how we can fetch the data from the database and generate a barcode and QR code. We will use TCPDF library for this project. Okay. So let us start. First go in our www directory or htdocs directory. Then we will create new folder, the name of TCPDF. Okay, inside it again inside it again we will create a new folder for our library. So we will give a name of PDF. Then we need to download from Composer. We need to download the library. So we will go to Composer, we will browse package, we will search with TCPDF, and this first one we will select. We will copy this command, we will go to our folder, type cmd and paste that command and hit enter. So it will start downloading our library files. Okay, so once it is downloaded, now we will go here and we will try to create new folder. Uh, we will copy this file into our this PDF library folder. Okay, now we will go to Sublime editor. We will open our project, select folder, then we will create a new file. Okay, for this new file, TCPDF has already given some example from their side. We will take the custom head example and we will try to design our PDF file. Our goal is to display a product list PDF. So we will go this example. So this example, it is working. The output you can see over here. So we will copy this code. We will also provide our source code in below link description. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. So we will paste here. We will create a name of test pdf.php save. Now before that we need to give our root directory, the library file path. Here it is mentioned TCPDF includes, so we'll give pdf dash vendor dash auto load. Now we will try to open this one. The output should be same because we didn't change anything, just we changed it the library path. Yes, so you can see this output and our output is same. So we will close this one. Now we will try to develop our own PDF. So first of all we will try to design the header part. So for header we needed an image in middle of here. So we have already created some image. We will show you images folder. So we have created some header image, then some profile stamp, the watermark. Okay, watermark, if you just rename it, watermark, image and signature. So we will copy this folder to our project. Then sorry, we will go here. Okay, so here you can see this logo example.jpg, it is showing, which is this one. Okay, so instead of this one we will use our one. So first step, we will copy this one and instead of this one we will give our one. Now our header file is in png format, so we will give png and we will try to refresh this one. Yes, so see, this logo was here, it gone. Now our logo came in a between of the middle. Now we want to reduce it, we will give it 70, refresh it, so size is reduced. Now we will also remove this title text. We don't wanted this one. Yes. So now it is displaying in the middle. Uh, we will reduce more size. We will give it only 60. Okay. Then we need to give some title over here. Now here in TCPDF there are multi-level language support. So we will try to develop in English and Arabic. Okay. We will give header title in English and Arabic. So for that we will copy this part of code and paste it over here. Now for the Arabic text, the font which is supported is this one. So we will remove our old font, okay, and here we will give this one as a bold. Save this and refresh it. See it showing in English and in Arabic, and our image it is displaying in a middle. Okay. Now here the license number you can see this is a blank. So we need to pass the license number dynamically. So we will pass license number dynamically. We will first we will create variable. Okay. So we will give here value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 is sufficient. And now we need to pass this value. So we will paste it over here. And then here, one semicolon missing. Okay. Now this is a dynamic property. So for allowing dynamic property, before our class starts, we need to give allow dynamic property over here. Now we will see the output. The license number, it should come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. So it is displaying both in English side also and in Arabic side also. Okay. So next footer we will do in the last part. So our header part is done. Now we scroll down over here. Now here are some metadata over here. So we need to give metadata. Metadata means like here you can see the title, it is showing a PCPDF example. Like this, there are metadata which we will give setup org and author we will give setup org only. Title product list, subject display. Then here are some keywords which you can give. One or two is fine. We will give 3 and the rest we will remove. Okay. So once this is done, we will check is it updated. Yeah, so it is updated. Now it is showing product list. Now the next part we will go here. Now we will start developing our internal body part. Okay, but before that we forgot to make our watermark image. So we will go up here. Okay, in this only we will add our watermark image. So our watermark image, we will copy this one. Below this image only we will give our watermark image. Now we will see is it displaying correctly. Okay, so it is not displaying. Okay, file name we will check. Images. Okay, it is watermark. Copy this file name. Now we will see the output. Yes, now you can see our watermark image is also ready. Now we will go in our body part. So body part, we will remove this variable. Also we are not going to write, we are going to develop in a HTML format. So we will copy one of our sample code for the HTML format. Here. So we will copy our HTML format code and we will paste it. Now we will see output, how it is displaying. Okay, so it is giving 83, line number 83 error. Okay, so here dollar is missing. Yes, so you can see we are displaying profile image. We will change it. So you can see over here in a table format we are displaying structure, but we need to increase our size. So we will reduce our width for left margin and right side margin. Okay, so for this there is a custom margin which we will use, which header part it will be 0, set margin 067. Now we will check output. Yes, so see the margin become less. So as per your need you can redo. This is left side one, this is right side, and this is from top one. Okay, so our now we can see our margin is reduced. Now what we will give here, we will give our pharmacy name. Okay, setup org. Then what it is, we will give the billing date. We will remove this image. Pharmacy setup.org product list. Then we will remove this part of the image. We are not going to display any profile picture. We will remove all this part over here. Okay, now we will start when this is going to happen, the date, and the date we will give the same format, date, then it will give in DMY, and then we will refresh it. Okay, this date. Now what here happening, the margin, it is 8, 10, we will give it 10, we will keep this only 10, we will increase this for a 90, and we will recheck this one. Yeah, so for my setup org product listing, and this is the date at which date it is happening. And one more here we will say created by XYZ. Okay, and we will again refresh this one. Okay, created it is taking, so we will, what we will do, we will do this 20, 80. Once you are given one, you will no need to give the another this one, it will take the previous one. Okay, so just refresh it. Yeah, so date and created by. Now we will display our product list. Okay, so for this we will start the table structure again. Table start, table end. Then we will create one of our naming one. Here we will give product list. Okay, And again we will copy this part only, and instead of aligning it at center, this will not 100. Name of the product, then second part it will be price of that product, code, and barcode. Okay, so this we are going to display. For header boundary, we will give the style. The style we have taken into this one variable. Okay, so here you can see the style we have taken into one variable. Now we are passing same variable over here again. There is a style limitation in TCPDF, so you cannot design. So here we will give some cap here, here, line break. Yeah, so here it came. And if you want to change color of this one, so you can change background color for this. Okay, we have kept it a gray one, so if you want to change, you can change it. So this is a label. We will not this part, we will not give this background color, so just we will put it as a normal one, normal value. Okay, so then refresh it. Yeah, so it is normal value. Now what we are going to do, now we are going to fetch data, this product list, we are going to fetch it from our database. As per our last video, we will show you. As per our last video, we have created generator barcode. If you go to YouTube and search our channel, org. Okay, so here videos. So as per our last video, this one barcode generation, we have generated barcode. So you can watch that video if you want to generate a barcode. And we have stored an image in our database in this product. So this is our product list. Okay, now we will make database connection. We'll create a new file, name it as a function.php. Then we will try to create connection with our database. We will open our last project only, and we will try to copy that file only. So QR code, not QR code, sorry, it is barcode one. So barcode, and we will try to open this file. We will copy this file only. Here what we have given, localhost root, then database name, it is barcode. Okay, so, and then we have set a constructor where it will define a connection, and last it is destructor, which will once data is fetched, it will remove this connection. Okay, now what we will do, here we want to fetch all database. So select, and we will remove these conditions. Okay, or product list. Now here we will go above, we will include our file function.php, and from this file what we need to do, We need to set our object. We need to create an object and call that function. So product list. Okay. Save it. So data we will fetch and we will try to print data here. This is just a variable name. Variable name you can give anything as per your choice. We have given here as a tab. If database is values are present, then only it will go inside. Now again we will give in this variable only. We will pass our values. TV, PD, TR. First it will be our name of the product. So name of the product is in name. Then what we have used over here, price only. Then code. What is the code? Yeah, code is also named as a code. And then last we will display our image code, which is our QR code. So for displaying our image code, it is in base 64 format. So for this, you need to pass this source as a data image, okay, and base 64. Now we will try to check our output, what output it will display. Yes, output it came out here. Okay, so something went wrong in our image part. So instead of this one, we will, for displaying barcode, okay, we will replace the at and then try to display our image. Yeah, so see, barcode, it is displaying successfully. All our product list, pricing, and all things are displaying successfully. The pricing we will take in center, online, center. And for border things, we will copy this one only and give it over here. Now we will refresh it. Yes. So perfectly it is showing our barcode. Okay. Now we will display a QR code in bottom where we will give our link in QR code format where user can scan and directly open our PDF file. So for this, if you go here, there is a one library which we need to be download. We will provide this link of this library in description. We have already downloaded this library, so we will just copy that library, QR code library, and Sorry, just remove this one. By mistakenly I have copied all the folder. We not required barcode, so we will remove this one. Okay, so we will later on see, and we will remove this one folder QR code. Inside this QR code we will extract here file. Okay, so file is ready. Okay, so we will go here above, and then this is for HTTP and HTTPS request protocol. Okay, then we need to give our QR code name, so we will pass here link. Okay, then we will create one folder where we will store our QR code, and as per we have seen in our last video, we will remove it once it is generated. Okay, so our folder part is created. If it is already existing, then it will not create again. Then QR code, then this library file path. Inside QR code it is PHP. So again we will give here dynamic host and request host URL. Then this part it will create. Now we will go down. Here we will give the same dynamically. And now in this footer part we need to display this one. So we have already taken the footer one. Give it -30 from ground, and we will paste over here, and we will check it. So line number 54, it is showing error. Okay, Allah, see, our QR code is also got generated. And if you want to give a text above, so it will be simple. Just go over here, and then just write text, verify QR code, and refresh it. See, the alignment, we can fix that, but it will take time. So you can take left, right, and do the alignment. Similarly, you can print over stamp over here. So we will provide this code in our below description. But guys, please like and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.